Hey guys! We're playing Booga Hybrid again, and I'm gonna be showing you secrets and glitches. Look, now you can drop things out of your inventory, but you need a steel net to capture it, and then you go to all, and then it's over here, and then you click it, and it goes out of your inventory. And then I have another glitch. Wait, where is it? Oh, okay. Look, goobers are glitched. When you drop it out of your inventory. See that? It's broken. It's like that one jelly sandwich glitch. You can tap it and it all goes back into your inventory. You can also use this for trolling, like this. Okay. I gotta find the next place. I'm going to pause this and I'll tell you when I'm there. Okay. Now, if you use the shield or the god rock in here, like you know how slow you go down here? If you use the god rock, you go faster. Or if you use the shield, you go faster. Okay, and we're near the next one. I'll tell you when I'm there. Okay, we're here. Now you can do this. Look at this. If you put a stone gate right here, or I think right here, or right here, you can do this, and then you spam it. Wait, I messed up. And then you spam it, bro. No, this needs to be closer. This one needs to be closer. Okay, fine. I'll just show you this one. Just look at this. If you spam it, see this? Now look. Oh, the ant queen's fixed. Because the ant queen used to be bugs and it wouldn't move. And I'll be right back. Wait, no. Hey, what is this thing? Is this another goober? Oh, anyways, that's the end of the